Yo, your boy Drex, we're back with another video, and I hope the lighting is not so bad because we're not in the crib today. We are in some cool ass venue. But yeah, let's get to the juice right away. So we have a Foot Locker bag right here because that's where I got my goods from. And we got the box right here. So this is my first pair with this kind of box. And if you guys have another pair with this box on, hit me up in the comments because I've never seen this box before. But yeah, we got the metallic silver right here, the black, with the silver Jumpman. And yeah, it took me some time to open this box because it was kind of hard for me, so I was trying to rip this off. But ended up being just like this, and pull up the other side. And kaboom, baby! We got the Jordan 11 Jubilees, which are also the 25th anniversary of the 11s or something. I couldn't remember. So the shoe paper, or the whatever the paper in the box is called, is just Jumpman logo with 2020 written over it. Yeah, 2020 isn't stopping with the heat yet. They just keep releasing bangers even on the last month of the year, baby. But yeah, so look at this beautiful pair right here. I don't really like my shoes all black, but couldn't go wrong with this. So before I go on any further, I just want to say I'm doing this video in case you guys want to buy a pair and you're still not sure if you want to get one. So this will help you decide. If you see this video and see how beautiful they are, you might end up buying, or if you already have the Space Jumps or whatnot, you might just pass on them because they look the same. While I speak on the details and the box like earlier, you can also compare it to your pair if they are legit, if you have just bought it from an online seller and whatnot. But yes, I got lucky. Let's get to the story first. I'm a size 9 men's or 8.5 men's, this depending on the shoes. And I went to Foot Locker, they released only women's. And they had the last pair of size 10 women's, which equivalents to 8.5 men's and 9 men's on a lucky day. But yes, that's what I got mine from. And when I left, only pairs left were 9 women's and lower. So all the homies asking me, you guys couldn't cut from Foot Locker that time, but if they have a restock on the men's, you guys can come pick them up right there for retail. But yeah, JD also releasing a full family size run, but I don't know if they still have it in store. I haven't checked. But yeah, let's get to the details. All black pair on the upper. Oh man, the lighting is really tough. So it's all black. We have the letters right here, as you can see. But yeah, there's not much really on the upper. It's just all black with a patent letter right there, the classic leather. And we have the Jumpman on silver on the back, like the every 11s that we have, and 23 on the heel tab. Same on the other side. But yeah, I already undo these laces because I was trying to fit them on the other day. So black on top, like I said, silver right here, silver and Jumpman. All the numbers and letters are all on silver, even on the tongue. Oh man, this lighting is really making this video so hard. But yeah, every 11 has this statement on the tongue, and it's also on silver for this pair. And let's go to the midsole. It's all white, and the outsole, I mean, is also like whitish, cream, whatever it is. But yeah, it is like the transparent type of white, so it's gonna be kind of yellow, and it's gonna yellow on age as well. So we have silver, the patterns on the outsole right there. And yes, we have this checkered pattern right here on the material or whatever this is called that I already forgot. This is the indestructible thing right here. So just like every 11, we have the Jumpman on the bottom. You couldn't see it because it's inside the outsole basically, but it's right there. Same on the other side. And then the shoe trees, they come with this, and this is basically same as my homies that I saw post them videos or photos online. And that resellers also have this. So you guys better check you don't have the paper or whatnot. I don't know, maybe some retailers do the paper, but this is basically what it comes with as far as I know of. So you better get yourself checked if you have the papers or whatever inside. But yeah guys, there we go. This might be the shortest video on my YouTube channel with the sneaker contents. But just know guys, on the next video, I will be announcing the giveaway for this year, which will be my Christmas and New Year's giveaway. I just wanna give a gift to my subscribers. I will be announcing it on the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned on that one. It will be in a week or something like that. It wouldn't be too long, so it will be before Christmas. I will announce it, and then the winner will be around New Year's or somewhere in January. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check your sneakers, make sure you rock the real ones, you know what I'm saying? Or if the financial status is like me ages ago when I started the game, fake it till you make it. I mean, the fakes right now are going really strong. If you couldn't afford a real one, buy a fake pair, no one will know, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, once you get enough, you can just save up and buy your real pairs, and let's run this sneaker game. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Minad88, subscribe, leave a comment, like and share so we can spread the word about the announcement on the giveaway. Peace, boys and girls, I'm out. Yeah, dig. Alright, that is so much heat in just one box. Yo, so at the end of this video, I concluded that this pair is actually a beautiful ass pair of basketball shoes.